Hey everyone, Elliot from Ells Auto Care here, and today we're replacing the rear pads on this customer's Caravelle. First thing I'm going to do is spray it all down with some brake clean to get all the nasty brake dust particles and things like that off of it. Once that's all clean, then what I'm going to do is take a 14mm socket on a ratchet and crack off these caliper to carrier retaining screws. You can use the trusty hand hammer to crack them off, and then just spin them out the rest of the way. With those bolts out the way, just wiggle the caliper until it comes free from the pads. And put the caliper to one side. The handbrake cable will hold it up so it won't damage the brake pipe too much, so it'll be fine. So just sit that one side gently and then pull the pads out. As you can see, these ones are quite low and probably well overdue a change. I'm going to jump straight to winding back the piston now, so you're going to have to use your a brake wind back tool. If you don't have one, you can pick them up off Amazon for like 15 quid or something like that. They're not expensive. So just find the right one that fits the grooves of the piston and just wind it back. And when it does it puts pressure and a twisting force on the piston at the same time to let it wind back into place. Sure, if you look for the inspection hole there, you can see it working. Now when that's gone down flush, what we're going to do is wind it back off, everything up for reinstalling the pads. So we give the runners a good squirt, some brake clean, and then clean it off with a wire brush. This is a relatively new vehicle, it's only 2016, so it's quite new, so we don't need to use anything more abrasive than a wire brush. But if at this point the vehicle's got a bit older feel, then you might want to use a file or maybe some coarse sandpaper just to clean all the roughness off. Once that's done, re-grease the pads, or your new pads, grease your new pads, and just fit them in and reassemble in reverse order. So my camera is just about to die, so I don't catch the footage of the refitting, so it's just refit in reverse order and everything will be fine. Thanks for watching, guys. Now if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thanks, bye.